It's the Caitlin and Alex show. I'm Alex and here's Caitlin. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, okay. So we're going to make a lot of these. First, we're going to show you around my house. So here's the tour. Yes, a tour. Ooh. Okay, let's start the tour. Going out my door. Let's go. Oh my god! We have to go get her. Caitlin, where are you? Alex? Alex? This is the Caitlin Alex show, and we're trapped. We're trapped. The door's locked. Oh my god. This is a small room. Oh my god. It's locked. I can't open it. What are we gonna do? This is our own show. I'm scared. Oh my god, we're trapped. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, we're trapped. We're trapped. We're trapped.
We're trapped. We're trapped.
We're trapped.
We're trapped. Ooh. Let's see how the lights and switch works. Oh, okay, we're okay. Okay, we're not doing that again. Okay, well, let's try to find a way out of here. This must be a secret.